Hey guys, I'm back. Look what I found. I found a Teddy Ruxpin for $1. I have my original one. It needs a little repair and everything, so I bought this one to repair mine. But who remembers Teddy Ruxpin? Yes, he's all original. He's the first one with the cassette player. Give me a second. Let me turn it. With the cassette player and everything like that. Here's his tag and his year. Let me go right there. So, wish me luck on repairing him. I don't know if I'm going to repair this one or repair mine. Either way, one or the other is going to happen. And I have my little sidekick right here, Gizmo. Right here. You know Gizmo. Gizmo been in my videos. Right now, he's not caring about Teddy Ruxpin. Gizmo, look, Teddy Ruxpin. Teddy Ruxpin. Oh my God, look. Yeah, you can't have him. Sorry. You see how he just turned his face right there? Oh, guys, I'm doing so many things right now. I'm packing stuff that's for sale and everything like that. And so much more. So his mouth is broken right there and everything like that. So I'm going to fix that. So stay tuned for his beautiful transformation. Subscribe to my TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube to see his beautiful transformation. And I'll be posting more videos later on today. Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.